Good morning. Happy September 1st. How are you doing? Fine, I hope. Some of you kids are in school, some of you kids are not in school. But I am back with the beginning of a maintenance video. What does that mean? I have a wig we about to install at 3:29 in the morning, and I am baked. Okay? So let me tell you about this wig. I ordered a 28-inch FB30 HD lace front wig, pre-plucked, glueless, 180% density wig for $76. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the wig that I ordered. This is the wig, yeah. That's the girly. That's your girly. I ordered. That's the price. That is the price for 26 inches. So don't say when I be giving y'all these wig reviews, I don't put you on, because I'm giving you tea. Affordable, and it's classy with a little bit of color, because we need a little bit of color. Just a little bit. So, it's 26, not 28. This is the wig. This is the band. This is what the wig came in. This is the wig. No smell. Now, this is the top lace, and this is the back lace, and I'm gonna cut this off because I am gonna cut it off. Now I'm gonna take these straps and I'm gonna make it tight so it fit my head. And do your combs in case. So y'all see that lace? And we not melted? Yeah. Yeah. Now, follow me on TikTok to watch how I started it.